There are 3 government offices that we will be visiting today. Philippine Statistics Authority, Social Security System, and National Bureau of Investigation. We will acquire documents which are requirements for my PRC application. As a salesperson, I'm gonna get a birth certificate from PSA and then NBI clearance from National Bureau of Investigation. And we are going to SSS to file for a new ID, a UMID, Universal Multi-Purpose Identification Card. 2 hours waiting time in PSA. First stop, PSA. We are at the parking lot and we decided that Marge will be the one to process everything. My birth, her birth, our marriage certificates, because the baby, we cannot bring the baby since they closed the ramp side entry, or they did not open it, so it's not accessible. And so while mommy is out there, baby is still very asleep. PSA is done. Marge acquired another additional certificate, which is for baby, his birth certificate. So there are we got 12 copies, but we'll have to return in 2 hours. So now we are going to NBI. We are at the breastfeeding station here in Robinson's Galleria. We just had lunch and I'm supposed to go to the NBI, but there was a miscommunication or misresearched location, so there was no NBI here. Instead, there is an SSS, the Social Security System, so we'll reverse the 2 of them. So we'll do SSS first. We were lucky enough to be entertained by Mr. Bench. I think he's the supervisor there. He saw Marge standing with baby, and there was no priority number for infants. So when he saw us, he called us, and we will wait for 3 months for our IDs to arrive in our house. If it is not yet received within 3 months, we are tasked to go to the post office in Talisay. So there is no more yellow and green NBI. Yellow for local, green for international application. There's the blue one kay multi-purpose NBI. Mura nag-humid. Kabuk mong kuhaon. And then moto 195. So after paying, diretso na ko dito, marag na nag-wait pa kog mga siguro mga 12 pa may kabuok. Pero pas na may 3 counters active.
Until 5 rin ang office.
Until 5 rin ang office. May ramilit ka.
Kung wala ka na dayon ka doon, invalid na to yung
I don't know, I think so. I think invalid na to. Priority, ganun yung itong babae nga. Priority yung baby siya. But, pagkatuloy ito, wala kaya pagka-priority. Kamay raman mo. So, you should go to your local government offices before 5 para di mo maabtan og cut off. NBI is done. We'll now go back to the PSA, Philippine Statistics Authority, to claim our requested certificates. My birth, her birth, his birth, our marriage. We have successfully finished all our errands today, and the evidence of it is a very exhausted baby.